These are my New Year's positive affirmation clips, and as you can see, you can clip them to just about anything. They're so easy to make. All you need are a few clothespins from your local dollar store, some curling ribbon, and some glitter. You can make your own cards, or you can download my cards, and I've designed them for you to print on 3x5 index cards, and it's a PDF pattern ready to download straight to your computer. And I provide 20 different sayings for you here. Okay, so here's how you make them. I like to use clear nail polish, and I brush it on to most of one side of the clothespin. I like to use this because the clear polish dries really fast. Then I dip it into my gold glitter. I like to use the really fine one, but you don't have to. Use whichever one you want. Then once that dries, I take my positive affirmation card that I printed, I fold it in half, and I like to add a piece of tape right in the center just to keep it closed. You can even glue it, it's up to you. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all my new videos. Then with some hot glue on the area that I did not add glitter to, I place a little dab of it and I press my positive affirmation right in place. And then of course it's time for the fun curling ribbon. I add one piece to the front and one to the back, but of course you can go on and add more if you'd like. And then give it a good curl and it is ready to go to be clipped to wherever you'd like. So if you love content like this, why don't you also check out my how to make an eyeglasses case holder from a pot holder. So thanks again for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.